In order to download DaVinci Resolve 20 in 2026, please open up any web browser. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Then go ahead and look up DaVinci Resolve download right over here and go to this link right over here, and it should bring you to a page that looks like this. Alright, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down here, and then from here you're able to go ahead and begin downloading it. So you can download it for whether you're on Mac, Windows, Linux, or even on an iPad, which is honestly pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and download it on Windows right over here. Then I'm going to enter in my information and also my state and my zip code. So I'm going to fill this in and then press on download Windows. So I'll be right back with you guys. All right, then it is going to begin installing your file right over here. Now keep in mind that it is around 3 gigabytes worth of memory, so it may take a little while, so please be patient. All right guys, so now the file is going to be installed as a zip file. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and extract it. Now what I recommend that you guys do is drag and drop it to your desktop just like so, and it may take a little while, but thankfully just a couple seconds. It's nothing anything too crazy. And then all you want to do is you want to extract this file. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be right clicking, then we're going to go ahead and select on extract files just like so. And I'm using a software called WinRAR in order to extract it, but you could do it just by default using the regular Windows software. It's going to give you an option that says extract, and all you want to do is you want to press on that. So I'm just going to go ahead and extract it really quickly, and then as you're able to tell, it is then going to begin generating a folder right over here. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and be patient and wait for it to finish installing. Okay, so now that we got our second folder over here, you want to go ahead and double click on it just like so, and then inside this folder you will then get a .exe file. Once you have this .exe file, go ahead and double click on it just like this. Then eventually a menu is going to appear, and now it is going to continue extracting. All right, then it's going to give you a menu that looks like this. Make sure to go ahead and select on Farlight, then go ahead and select on Install right over here. All right, then eventually it is going to bring you to the setup wizard. Go ahead and press on next, scroll down and make sure to go ahead and press on I accept the terms, then press on next one more time, then press on install. And now all you need to do is you need to wait for Davinci to be installed. All right, then go ahead and select on finish. Then it is going to say installation complete. So go ahead and press on OK. And now it is going to create a shortcut on your desktop, so you can go ahead and open it up right over here. And then from there, you're able to get started. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.